Your kidneys are two bean-shaped organs that filter out waste products, excess water and toxins from your blood. They also help regulate your blood pressure, balance your electrolytes and produce hormones. Your kidneys are vital for your overall health, but sometimes they can get damaged by various factors such as diabetes, high blood pressure, infections, kidney stones or medications. That's why it's very important to take good care of your kidneys and keep them functioning well before it's too late. One way to do that is to eat foods that can help cleanse your kidneys naturally. These foods can help prevent kidney stones, lower inflammation and protect against oxidative stress which can cause kidney diseases. So in this video, we will reveal 10 of these foods that can help you clean and detox your kidneys naturally. You'll be amazed by how much your kidneys' health can improve just by simply adding these foods to your daily diet. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are well known for their benefits for the urinary tract, but they can also help your kidneys. Cranberries contain a compound called quine which converts into HIPIC acid in the body. Hipic acid can help flush out excess uric acid from the kidneys which can cause kidney stones. Other than that, cranberries can prevent urinary tract infections which are common in chronic kidney disease patients. This is because cranberries can prevent the bacteria that cause these infections from sticking to the urinary tract walls and causing inflammation and infection. This may help reduce the risk of kidney infections and complications. So to get these benefits, you can eat fresh or dried cranberries or drink unsweetened cranberry juice. Number 2. Lemon. Lemon is a citrus fruit that can actually help prevent kidney stones. Lemon contains citric acid which can bind with calcium in the urine and inhibit the growth of calcium stones. Calcium stones are the most common type of kidney stones and they can cause severe pain and complications. Lemon also has vitamin C which can boost your immune system and fight infections. You can squeeze some lemon juice into a glass of water or add a lemon wedge to your tea. Number 3. Seaweed. Seaweed is a type of algae that grows in the sea and has many health benefits. It is rich in iodine which is essential for thyroid function and metabolism. It also has antioxidants, anti-inflammatory agents and polysaccharides that can actually protect the kidneys from diabetes-induced damage. Other than that, seaweed also has alginate which are compounds that can bind with heavy metals and toxins and help excrete them from the body. You can eat seaweed as a snack, add it to soups or salads or use it to make sushi. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic is a spice that can add flavor to your dishes and also boost your kidney health. Garlic contains allicin which is a sulfur compound that gets released when you chop or crush garlic. It is what gives garlic its distinctive smell, but it has antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral properties that can help protect your kidneys from damage and infection. According to a study, allicin can be beneficial for treating severe kidney diseases like chronic kidney disease. The researchers found that allicin reduced the levels of urea, nitrogen and catenin in the blood, which are compounds that the kidneys filter from your blood when their levels are reduced. That means that the kidneys are doing their job better. Allicin also improved the levels of gluon and superoxide dismutase, which are antioxidants that protect the kidneys from oxidative stress which can lead to kidney diseases. Finally, garlic also has diuretic properties, which means that it can increase the urine output and help flush out any excess toxins and minerals from the body. This can prevent the formation of kidney stones. As you can see, garlic is very important for your kidneys' health. To get these benefits, you can eat raw garlic cloves, preferably on an empty stomach, to get the maximum benefits of allicin. You can also chop or crush garlic cloves and add them to your salads, sauces or other dishes. However, cooking may reduce some of the allicin content and activity. Another option is to take garlic supplements that contain standardized amounts of allicin or its derivatives. Before we continue, if you have been enjoying the video so far, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more videos like this. Number 5. Grapes. Grapes are not only delicious and refreshing, but they also have amazing health benefits for your kidneys. Grapes contain a compound called resveratrol, which is a plant compound found in grape seeds and skins. Resveratrol has anti-inflammatory and anti-fibrotic effects, which means it can help prevent or reduce kidney damage caused by inflammation and scarring. According to a study published in Apply Physiology, Nutrition and Metabolism, resveratrol can even reverse kidney damage caused by a high-fat diet in obese rats by restoring copper levels in a kidney. Grapes also contain citric acid, which is a natural acid that can help prevent kidney stones from forming. Another benefit of grapes for your kidney is that they can help lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney failure, as it can damage the blood vessels in the kidney and impair its function. Grapes have a blood pressure lowering effect due to their polyphenols, which are plant chemicals that relax the blood vessels and improve blood flow. To reap the benefits of grapes, you can eat them fresh or frozen. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are another berry that can benefit your kidneys. They are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give them the blue color and protect against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage the cells and tissues of the kidneys and lead to chronic kidney disease. Blueberries also have anti-inflammatory effects and can lower blood pressure, which is very good for your kidney health. A study found that blueberry consumption was associated with significantly lower levels of urinary albumin, which is a marker of kidney damage. You can enjoy blueberries fresh or frozen, or add them to smoothies or salads. Number 7. Watermelon. Watermelon is a delicious fruit that can hydrate your body and flush out your kidneys. Watermelon has a high water content, about 92%, which can increase your urine output and help remove waste products from your kidneys. Watermelon also has potassium, which can help balance the sodium levels in your body and prevent salt retention. Salt retention can cause swelling and increase the pressure on your kidneys. Watermelon also has lycopene, which is a powerful antioxidant that can protect against kidney cancer. You can eat watermelon as a snack or make a refreshing juice or smoothie with it. Number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that can improve your cardiovascular health and lower your blood pressure. High blood pressure is one of the main risk factors for kidney disease, so keeping it under control can help prevent kidney damage. Olive oil also has oleic acid, which is a monounsaturated fatty acid that can reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Olive oil also has polyphenols, which are plant compounds that have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. You can use olive oil for salad dressing, cooking, or drizzling over your food. Number 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that can support your kidney health. It is rich in antioxidants, which are plant pigments that give red cabbage its reddish-purple color. Anthocyanins have strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and they may protect against heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Cabbage is also high in vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune health and helps reduce cell damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C also helps boost the production of glutathione, which is a natural detoxifier that helps the kidneys eliminate toxins. You can eat cabbage raw in salads or cook it in soups, stews, or stir-fries. Number 10. Apples. Apples are one of the best fruits for your kidney health. They are rich in antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, which can help protect your kidneys from oxidative stress, inflammation, and infection. Apples also contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can lower your cholesterol and blood sugar levels, which are both risk factors for kidney disease. Pectin can also bind to toxins in your digestive tract and prevent them from reaching your kidneys. Moreover, apples have a high water content and a low sodium content, which can help flush out excess fluids and salts from your body and reduce the workload on your kidneys. To reap these benefits, try to eat at least one medium-sized apple per day, preferably with the skin on, as that's where most of the antioxidants and fiber are. So there you have it. These are the 10 foods that can help you detox and cleanse your kidney naturally. By adding them to your diet, you can support your kidney function and prevent many kidney problems and diseases. However, remember that these foods are not a substitute for medical treatment. If you have any kidney issues or concerns, consult your doctor before making any dietary changes. Now we want to hear from you. Do you eat some of these foods regularly? Do you have other foods you want to tell us about? Share with us your experiences and opinions in the comments below. We love to hear them. Thanks for watching.